Hey there, TikTok. How are y'all doing today? It's Sunday. I was supposed to sing Frontline today, but at about 3 o'clock this morning, I had a severe allergy attack. I don't know if it's something I ate, touched, smelled. I don't know. But I sneezed and coughed and itched to the point that, like, these spots are all over my body. And I'm trying not to itch them still, but if you don't have sensitive skin or struggle with allergies, besides seasonal, because everybody in Mississippi has seasonal allergies, but like real life struggle with allergies, then you just don't understand. But taking a Benadryl is my last resort because they knock me out. And then I'm groggy. But at 3:30 in the morning, after I did this to a lot of my body and could not breathe due to sneezing, I had to take one. My eyes won't quit watering. Thank God it's just allergies. You know, they will eventually subside. But I've stripped my bed sheets and put them in the washer and just thinking that might help. I don't know. Maybe it was something. I don't know. But anywho, I'm going to try to relax today. I have a very busy week at work. And Sunday, I try to let Sunday be my reset day. So I'm going to try to reset through this crazy allergy business I have going on and try not to permanently damage my skin from scratching. Anyways, so I hope y'all have a great day. I hope you find the good in something. I hope that you aren't itching all over. Cheers. Cheers to today, because it's the only day we have.